Go.
So we're going to try to solve both shear and flange coupling. Number 1, given diameter is 35 mm, n is equals 6, diameter 1 equals 125 mm, t equals 800 mm, and n Newton meter, so convert it into 800,000 nmm. PV 56 MPa, solve T equals n 5/4 times d1 to the power squared times dv times d1/2. 800,000 equals 6 times 5/4 times d1 squared times 56 times 125/2 equals d1 squared is equals 48.50. So d1 equals square root of 48.50 is equals 6.96 mm. So clamp coupling frictional torque given diameter is equals 50 mm, 9 and n is equals 4. Stress T equals 70 MPa, m equals 0.3, t is equals 60 Newton meter equals 600,000 nm. P is equals pi squared over 16 times m times dv squared times stress P n times d equals 600,000 times pi squared over 16 times 0.3 times dv squared times 70 times 4 times 50 is equals dv squared is equals 231.59. dv squared is equals square root 231.59 equals 15.22 mm.
Go.
All given R over C is equals 1000, C equals 0.05 mm, HO equals 0.02 mm, solution HO over C is equals 0.02 over 0.05, HO over C is equals to 0.4. Then given D diameter is equals to 55 mm and DO equals 2D plus 13 equals 2. So the diameter is 55 plus 13. DO equals 123 mm. So length is equals 3.5 D. 3.5 times diameter 55 is equals length equals 192.5 mm.